To let nearby friends play music on your Bluetooth speaker, first in your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network. Turn on Bluetooth. Select the speaker you like to share.
Connected.
Tap done button. And then you also have to enable music share feature. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen. And then tap setting icon. Tap connected devices. And then tap the gray on option next to music share to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. If needed, you can customize the setting for the music share. To do so, tap music share. To set which nearby devices you allow to play music on your Bluetooth speaker, tap share devices with. Select contacts only to only allow those who are listed in your contact list to share the music. Or select everyone to allow all nearby devices to share the music. As the example, we will select contacts only. Next, to change the music share permission, tap ask for permission to connect. And then select every time if you like to be notified each time other device is trying to connect to your Bluetooth speaker. Or select don't ask if you like to just allow other device you have specified in the share devices with option to connect to your Bluetooth speaker. As the example, we will select every time. Next, to change for how long your phone needs to keep both devices to be connected when they are idle, tap disconnect when nothing is played for. And then select the desired duration. As the example, you can select 5 minutes to set your phone to automatically disconnect with the other device when nothing is played for 5 minutes. Or you can select don't disconnect if you like to keep both devices stays connected no matter how long the idle time. As the example, we will select 10 minutes. Here in the bottom of this menu, you can see the list of your Bluetooth speaker that you have paired with your phone. You can enable the required Bluetooth speaker so other devices can use it to share the music. Or you can disable the required Bluetooth speaker so other devices cannot use it to share the music. Now prepare the other device. In the other device, connect the device to the same Wi-Fi network with your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Next, turn on Bluetooth. Under music share section, all Bluetooth speakers that are in pair mode will be displayed here. Select the speaker to connect. Tap done button. Open a music player. As the example, we will open Spotify app and then play music. You can hear that the music in the other device is now played in the selected Bluetooth speaker of your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.